All right, so we want to find the x-intercepts, the multiplicity of each x-intercept, and state whether the graph will cross or bounce. Remember, if the multiplicity is odd, that means the graph crosses, and if the multiplicity is even, that means the graph will bounce. So we're going to set y equal to 0, and we're going to need to factor to find all these zeros and their multiplicities. This one has a greatest common factor of negative 2x squared. So if I divide each of these by negative 2x squared, I'll get my leftovers. I'm going to buy myself a little bit of room here. Okay, so I think when we do common factor, sometimes we forget to write the common factor out in front, the thing you're dividing by. When you do the division, that gives you the leftovers, okay? So the first term leftovers will come from that division, so that will be x squared. And then the second part will be a negative 32 divided by 2 is 16, and then the x squareds cancel out. So there we go. So I did greatest common factor, and now x squared minus 16 is a difference of 2 squares. So it factors like that. So now we have 3 factors that can equal 0. We've got whatever makes this 0, whatever makes this 0, whatever makes this 0. This matters because we have an x in it. So negative 2x squared equals 0. So I would divide both sides by negative 2. Then I would square root both sides, and I get x equals 0. These ones are obvious. This one's going to be negative 4, and this one's going to be 4. So let's write out our answers. We have 0, 0 is an x-intercept, and that has a multiplicity of 2. Because 0, plugging in 0 for x makes this part 0, and the multiplicity there is 2 right here. So the graph bounces because 2 is even. All right, then the next 0 would be negative 4, 0, and 4, 0. Since they're the same, I'll group them together. They both have multiplicity of 1 because there's like a 1 here and a 1 here if you don't see it. So the graph crosses at both of those x-intercepts. And that's our answer.